Our 8th year at SEMA is over, and what an exciting year it was. People are stoked that there's a better way to achieve a perfect paint-ready auto surface, and we talked to hundreds of them this week. We also talked to people who have already used our machines to take the headache out of auto restoration. From hunk of junk to show car ready, our customers have restored all sorts of vehicles. And whether it's paint, primer, rust, body filler, undercoating, or powder coating, it's no match for Dustless Blasting. Even some of the serious car pros showed up to sing our praises and meet with fans. A big thanks to everyone who came out to our booth and made this SEMA show our best ever. We've got some really exciting events in November as we shift gears to show off that Dustless Blasting isn't just the ultimate auto restoration tool. It's also a total boss for marine applications. In just a couple of weeks, we'll be at the Pacific Marine Expo in Seattle, followed by the International Workboat Show in New Orleans. To see what Dustless Blasting can do for you or your business, check out dustlessblasting.com.